I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Ahead of a low-pressure trough in the west, southerly winds remain breezy tomorrow with gusts up to 25. A weak disturbance lifting northeast tonight through tomorrow morning may increase cloud cover and trigger a few light showers. Otherwise, skies clear by tomorrow afternoon and highs top out in the low to mid-80s. Southwest winds and a weak ridge of high pressure, warmer highs on Thursday and Friday into the mid-80s to around 90, which is 10 to 15 degrees warmer than normal. Friday looks especially breezy with gusts up to 30. With the approach of a cold front, highs on Saturday are in the 80s. As that cold front slowly tracks to the southeast, we do have slight chances of rain and thunderstorms in the forecast for Friday night through Sunday night. Any rain amounts are likely to be very light. Highs cool into the 70s to around 80 on Sunday and the mid-60s to the low 70s for Monday. The cooling trend of more seasonal temperatures is not expected to last in the long-term forecast. Temperatures in Nebraska, Kansas, along with the central and eastern U.S. Sunday through October 13th are likely to be overall warmer than normal. All of this while seasonal to slightly cooler than normal temperatures approach from the west. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall indicated to be above normal Sunday through October 13th, especially in Nebraska the early half of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include heat and dry weather in the central U.S. and rain for Argentina, southern Brazil, and parts of Europe. From the southern half of the plains into the Midwest, drier and warmer than normal weather prevails through the weekend. A series of Pacific cold fronts progress from the northwest into the north central U.S. and generate a few showers. Key ag areas of the interior northwest and northern plains should experience occasional rain, but need heavier rain to benefit winter wheat establishment. This weekend and early next week, there's a better chance of rain with the cold front moving through the Midwest. There could be another chance of rain with the front moving down from Canada late next week. Hurricanes Imelda and Humberto continue to move away from the U.S., but rainy weather lingers across the lower southeast, including much of Florida. Argentina's early planting conditions stay favorable with more widespread rainfall this week, but most soybean planting is expected to begin later next month. Towards southern Brazil, rainfall this week keeps conditions favorable for planting and early growth. Central Brazil is only expecting spotty rain through next week, possibly leading to early planted soybeans germinating and dying the next few weeks. Across Eastern Europe, including the Balkans and native moisture, light and spotty rain continues for much of this week. Widespread rain spreads through most of Europe this weekend and early next week, but is likely to miss Spain, which needs more rain. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.